Hello everyone. So today I will talk about the standard books for UPSC exam and UPSC strategy so that you could enhance your preparation. So let's start. For history you can go through with spectrum for modern India only, and for geography no any standard book is such required. You can study NCERT books of geography from 6th class to 12th standard, and for polity you can go through with M. Lakshmikant, and for economics you can choose Sanjeev Verma, other than you can choose Ramesh Singh, and other than you can go through with Dusty notes, Vision IAS notes, and other than you can also refer budget survey and economic survey, and other than that current affair also is required for UPSC economic subject. So and after that environment, for environment no such book is required. You can go through with 12th standard book of the biology. There are 4 chapters that are mentioned in 12th book of biology, so you can study from them chapter number 13 to chapter number 16. These are most important chapters for environment study, so you can refer from them. And now less important books I am telling you. So the less important books, only complementary books are these books. So for art and culture you can go through with Nitin Sangania, and for and for geography you can choose GC Leong, Majid Hussain. But these books are important only to enhance or only to develop or only to grow up the education skills. So you can choose or you can study these books. But for environment there is no such books is necessary, so you can choose any coaching notes or most important notes of the environment is Shankar IAS notes, so you can study from them. And for science and tech you can go through with Manohar Pandey or McGraw Hills. These books are very most important for develop for growing the for growing of the new directions for the study. And for prelims and CSET you can study the Tata McGraw Hills for CSET prelims. And for reasoning you can go through with RS Agrawal, and for maths you can also refer the Arihant book. So this will be the complete book list of UPSC mains or prelims exam. Now first of all you have to divide the UPSC study material in two parts, that is one is static and second one is dynamic. And as you know that 40% of the static part of syllabus is covered in prelims only. But for mains you for mains exam you have to go through with the dynamic syllabus. So you have to follow the newspapers and standard books for this. So there are for that you can also refer the NCERT books. There are total 30 NCERT books. So first of all you have to divide the NCERT books into 15 each. So you have to study the 15 deeply and 15 other lightly. And there are 4 standard books which are necessary to require or to fulfill the requirement of UPSC exams. After that you can also go through the questions paper so that you can evaluate and you could know how to attempt the questions of prelims and mains exams. And after that mock test is most important for UPSC exam, for prelims as well as mains exam. Because if you will do more practice you will learn more things or you will gain more knowledge. So mock test is very required for UPSC exams. So after that dynamic materials you can also choose in online way or offline way. For current affairs you can go through with Dainik Jagaran, Amar Ujala, and Indian Express, Hindustan Times, Times of India, whichever you can whichever you find very easy to read you can choose them. And other than you can go through with magazines or Yojana. And for current affairs you can choose any coaching notes of Vision IAS, Drishti IAS, Vajiram, and Ojanka IAS Academy. You can any choose of the notes. So after that there are very few websites of Google websites, so you can study from there. For example, PIB, PRS, PMF, IAS, Mrunal Patel. So you can study for them. So yeah, please share and subscribe and like my YouTube channel so that you could get more informative videos. Thank you. Thank you.